What's up, y'all? We out here at the box. I bought all new bulbs, 2057 for these three. 1, 2, 3. And then your reverse lights is gonna be the 1156s. I get them for the stupid low. Somebody gonna be like, oh, you could have just taped them off. Look, I'm tired of y'all niggas trying to tell me what to do with my shit. Okay. Yes, I get it. The shit on social media, people gonna have something to say. It is what it is. But if I don't respond to your shit, that's why. Know that. So let me get these things swapped out. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna close the garage so we won't have that light shining. There we go. Now we got total darkness. Darknesses. Turn on the lights. So I still gotta put the sides on. But as far as tail lights in there, side marker lights is good. I still gotta get the other one. HIDs is in there, but I haven't put I gotta put the front on. Put the new turn signals in there. And then I gotta get these here on the side. I think that was like an 1156, 1157 bulb. 1156. 1157, I believe, for the reverse lights. So, yeah, man. Alright, so we out here putting the box back together. Tail lights. Well, I think we did that last video. All the lights back there. Just getting what we needed up front here. Turn it on, show you what we got. LEDs in there. Motherfucker giving a light show. Damn cat. Put your ass on. Tail lights. Marker lights. Oh, shebang, baby. One step at a time. I ain't no rush. Y'all know we've been fooling with this damn cutlass, man. So what was I gonna say? So it feel like the brake booster works better when it's unhooked. Cause when it's hooked up, it just goes all the way to the flow, which is odd. So I bought another one. I'm gonna swap that bitch out. I was trying to fuck with these brakes on this C10, but I'm still missing some shit. And then it hit me as I was fucking with this shit. I was like, I think I remember this is why I said I was just gonna do what you calls in the rear. I think this is the reason why I said that I was just gonna do calipers in the rear on here. Not because I need it, but just because I ain't trying to fuck with this shit. So I'm gonna let that shit lead where it lay. I'm trying to find. Oh yeah, so I did buy speed bleeders. These aren't the speed bleeders. Speed bleeders are already on the car, but the speed bleeder part number for the front 12702. I'm trying to see if they got some for the rear. I'm gonna put them in there too. That way I can one man that thing. Shout out to my boy Proud for coming over and helping me, but we ran into the issue with the master cylinder, and now I think it's the booster as well. And I don't know, y'all. So once I get them bleeders, then we'll figure it out from there. But I wanted to put the plate and shit on here so I could put this bitch back on the, well, I could put it on the street if need be, and then I could pull the Cutlass back up in the driveway. I'll probably do that tomorrow. It ain't got dark. I don't want to disturb the neighbors. But yeah, I put the new master cylinder on there, and it seemed to be better. And then I was like, oh shit, the master cylinder ain't even hooked up. So then when I hooked the master cylinder up, it go all the way to the flow as far as vacuum. So that's the part that's kind of confusing, but I tell you what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab me a Modelo. Right there. Grab me a Modelo, think it over, and go from there. All right, so I just installed these other bulbs. They think I'm home sleep, nigga. Alright, so now that lights up. I just gotta finish getting the paint off of there. And on this side, I don't know if that light is on. Nah, it ain't. Let me see something. So I gotta find out what's going on with that side. But this side does light up when you hit the turn signal. So we'll figure out the rest. But yeah, for the most part, got her back together again. But now I just gotta get the screws for that, and then I can sit on the street while I fool that damn brake booster. Either that or I'm gonna pull this damn cutlass out of here. Well, not cutlass. I'm gonna pull the C10 back out of here. I don't know. It'll be easier just to swap them two. But I think it's supposed to rain. That's why I wanted to put it in the garage. So we'll see. We'll see.